Hello, good afternoon. My name is Osiris Sanchez Lopez and this is my family tree. She is my grandmother, Maria Magdalena Luna, and he is my grandfather, Andres Sanchez. They are my parents' grandparents, and here's married Andres Sanchez. He married wife is Teresa de Luna, and the other uncle is Glender Sanchez, and his wife is Fabiola de la Riva, and he is my father, Vladimir Frank Sanchez. His wife is my mother, Fabiola Lopez. The other is my family. It's she is my grandmother, Rocio Aguilar, and he is my grandfather, Julio Lopez. Children, it's Fabiola, my mother, and his brother is Julio Lopez, and his wife is Nancy Suhey. The other uncle is Osvaldo Lopez. He is married Lucia. Um, this is my family, and my father is it's energy teacher. My mother is a account and he is a lavender. She is my older sister who study medicine. He is my brother Fernando Sanchez who study nutrition, and he is me Osiris Sanchez Lopez, and I study for paramedic.